Now let's use the second method for designing this box. We are first going to create the box and then give relationship between these parameters. Let's go to create sketch and draw the center rectangle. Let's give dimensions. So here I'm not worried about the dimensions right now. Whatever is there, I'm going to accept and then go for finish sketch. But be particular that you are going to define those dimensions whichever you are looking to modify. So here I have given these dimensions. Now I'm going to save the file. So now let's go to modify and go for change parameters. Now just click here on modal parameters. So here whatever dimensions we have given, all these are being recorded over here. So in the first sketch we have D1 and D2, so I can rename them as length and breadth. Okay, and in the extrude I have this height. Even the taper angle is given. We had by default taken it as 0, so we don't need to modify it. So instead of breadth value, I'm going to give the relationship over here. So here I'll be giving it as length by 4, or let us give it breadth this time, breadth by 4 or breadth by 2, which will be length by 4. Then click OK. So now we have to save this file and let's go to modify again and make changes to the length value. So here I'm giving it as 500 mm. And you can see everything has changed automatically. So we can go to inspect and measure these dimensions. So this is length by 2. And this one is breadth by 2. So we can use either of these two methods for creating this box parametrically.